our audience, the income generation members, those baby boomers who are either retired or kind of on that final descent into retirement, you know, what should they do? What's your best advice for them? You know, I love you because, like myself, you're a fixed income guy, but you're also an equities individual, you know, managing international portfolios in the past and so on, global portfolios. So what would you tell those viewers that are looking at lower yields on fixed income, looking at a stock market that's gone up for over 9 years in running now? What would you say to them?
I would say recognize that we are changing landscapes. You see it already in higher volatility, higher short-term interest rates. Understand that we're entering a world of greater divergence in economic performance and greater dispersion in asset prices. So just first understand that this is a very different landscape than what we've seen in previous years. Otherwise, you're going to be completely unsettled and the risk of a mistake goes up. That's the first critical issue. The second is ask yourself, what mistake can you afford to make and what mistake can you not afford to make? That's really important when the landscape changes. And then thirdly, make sure that you have some dry powder, because in this volatility, some good names, strong balance sheet, good business models will get temporarily depressed.
So in the 40 seconds or so we have left, you know, tell us what you think. I've said this recently, that the days of buying an S&P 500 index with this trade war are probably not going to be ideal. It almost seems now like individual stock selection, if you're going to be in the equity market, where you start to look at certain companies' exports. It almost seems like that's what people have to do if they want to make money in the equities market versus just buying a mutual fund or an index. Your thoughts?
Yes, in capital letters, and that is the outcome of greater dispersion in asset prices.
Gotcha. So it's a different world. It's the new normal, as I think is the phrase that you helped us coin 10 years ago. The new normal, and the new normal is trudging forward. Mohamed, thank you so much for being on our show once again. It's been my pleasure.
Thank you.